Hey folks, this is Rajendran from Market Calls, and in this video we are going to look into the features of Bell Market Profile Ultimate. Bell Market Profile Ultimate pack comes with a wide range of features designed for professional traders. It is designed to reduce the learning curve of reading market profile charts and brings the ability to take better and critical trading decisions during live markets. Let's look into the key features of Bell Market Profile Ultimate pack. One of the major features of Bell Market Profile Ultimate is the automated key reference lines. In the olden days, traders used to mark critical reference levels from market profile manually, which is a painful task, and at times it could result in a manual error, missing the most critical information and thereby resulting in taking wrong judgmental decisions. The automated reference lines in Bell Market Profile Ultimate reduces the effort in drawing those critical reference lines and thereby keep the traders stay focused on their trades and helps the traders to take objective trading decisions. Here are the list of automated reference lines you could find in Bell Market Profile Ultimate at this moment. Reference lines like a prominent point of control, reversal PPOC or RPPOC, which talks about what kind of market participants enter and how likely those setups or reference lines are likely to be revisited. The poor high, poor lows, AB poor high or poor lows talks about short-term traders' behavior, and the double or triple mechanical reference levels, which explains most of the weaker hand traders and how likely they are going to place their stops and where they are going to place their stops. The G2 G3 patterns explains a potential short covering or a long liquidation move, possibly towards those levels in T plus 2 days. And a failed auction is again a very key reference level in market profile, which explains high probable price action movement towards those levels in T plus 5 days. There are again other automated reference levels like gaps and weekly highs and low references levels to monitor the market confidence. So these are the most interesting reference levels you can find in Bell Market Profile Ultimate Edition at this time. As long as the automated reference levels are not revisited or touched, it keeps extends towards the right side of the charts. If the reference lines got revisited, then it automatically stops there. Those reference lines not only reveals the current market context, but also helps the traders to see complex price patterns which most of the other traders in the market fail to see those setups, which brings exponential odd-based thinking in your market profile studies. Other than automated reference lines, there are a lot many interesting features you might find in Bell Market Profile Ultimate Pack, such as the split profile for the day along with normal composite profile, volume profile with relative volume numbers, the intraday volume at price with buyers and sellers split in histogram format. Traders can also use features like halfback and intrabar halfback to understand where intraday players enter and thereby aware of the changing market context and keep themselves updated with the new market generated information. Value area zones are bracketed and comes with color coded volume profile zones. Along with that, the point of control zone visualization also embedded into the volume profile. The dynamic market profile is an interesting feature to take high precision short-term and intraday trading decisions, which reveals the inner working of smart market participants. The most exciting feature of Bell Market Profile Pack is the world's first market profile scanner with automated reference levels. This helps traders to shortlist the stocks and narrow down their focus on selected scripts. It also gives detailed reports on value area high, value area low, point of control, the IB range, the nearest POC levels, the nearest PPOC levels, the failed auction levels, the AB power high, power low levels, and so on. Like most of the reference levels are interesting reference level which the traders watch on day-to-day basis. Tradesler 2.0 is a mentorship program solely focused on market profile and order flow tools using NinjaTrader 8 platform to make the traders help understand the objective way of looking into short-term and intraday trading opportunities. The course is designed in such a way that even traders who are very new to markets or very new to technical analysis can understand as the course starts from the scratch of market profile and order flow concepts. Learn how to organize market generated information and excel in trading intraday and positional trade setups. Tradesra 2.0 mentorship program happens every quarter with 20 days of live training and 60 plus hours of live learnings on market profile and order flow concepts. More than 40 plus intraday and positional trade setups are discussed during the intensive course. If you are interested in joining the course, then talk to our belltpo.com team or our market calls team at +91 95 351 33445. For detailed agenda and timings, visit marketcalls.in/events. Hope to see you soon in the intensive program. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video with more interesting concepts. Bye bye.